Hey friends, welcome back to another Christmas decorating video. In today's video, we're doing a cozy decorate with me in my living room. I wanted to switch it up a little bit and give you just a fun, cozy video to watch. Maybe get a blanket and curl up on the couch with a cup of coffee or tea and just enjoy the music and watch me do my last minute touches. I have a few things I want to add to my living room to just make it a little bit more Christmassy. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video, and I hope that this can give you some inspiration for your own home today. Clearing off the coffee table, and then I'm going to give it a little wipe down before I decorate it. So I got all my Christmas pillows out and I piled them up here. So now I'm just going to throw the other ones over to the other side of the couch and start arranging them where they're supposed to be. And I always just love pillows on a couch. They're so cozy. And my husband probably will never understand, but I just love a good soft pillow. And you can see I have that one sweater pillow that I showed y'all in my haul, and they look so good on the couch, and I'm so happy with them.
Loud and clear, have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go.
This windowsill needed a really good cleaning. It was pretty dusty and there were some little dead bugs on there, so I figured I better clean that up. And I wanted to add a few little details to the windowsill this year. We keep those little shades open a lot, and so I thought it'd be a nice little way to display some decor. And I'm wiping off this chest that I have here and adding a few pillows to it to make it a little bit more cozy.
Way up high, there's an angel every night. Take my hand, you promised land. Here.
I'm giving this console table a wipe down before I put my decor down. And I wanted to add a table runner, but for some reason I couldn't find mine. But I ended up finding one a few days later after I recorded this video at Target, and I love the way that it looks. So I hope that I'll get around to doing a house tour for y'all for Christmas, and I will show you guys how I updated that space. And I'm adding the potpourri that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and that smelled so good when I opened up that box, y'all. I really wish that you could have smelt it.
Upon a star, I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling, but then I knew It was you around midnight, way up high.
And now I'm finishing my space by vacuuming up. I always feel so much better when the floor has been vacuumed. So I'm getting that all done and then I'll be finished.
Here we go. Here we go.
So we're all finished in this room, and if you can see, we added shiplap to the fireplace, which just makes such a difference. We did that over the Thanksgiving Day weekend, and my husband did such a great job. I recorded that, and I'll have that up for you soon. It is so nice, but you can see here, this is the finished room for Christmas. I added some poinsettias the other day, so we already had those there. But I hope that you enjoyed watching me add a few of the finishing touches to the living room. Next, I'll be adding Christmas decor to the dining and kitchen area. So I hope that you guys will subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can see those videos that are coming up. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret in a song, even sure.